Hi kiddos and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie, and today we are trying to do a Teacher's Day card. Children, I am just trying because I am not very sure whether it is going to come out to be nice or no. So for that we have to take two circles which should fit into one another. Matlab there should be hardly any space in between because we need to make an insertion. So first what we do is we take the bada dabya and we just draw a circle. I just wish I'm not going wrong. Okay, we draw a circle. It's gone a little happy-sappy, but then it's okay. And then after doing this big circle, what we are going to do is make a small circle which fits into this big circle a little appropriately. Okay, so it's too big. You all can use your compass which you all have in your geometry box also. So these are the two circles which we have done. Now what we are going to do is we are going to leave this much part and we are going to make an insertion on this part. This part उड़ जाएगा और ये part रह जाएगा, because if we cut the entire thing like a shake chili, what I did is I cut the entire thing and the circle only came out. Then I realized that what I was doing was wrong. So children, teachers do make mistakes. Please don't laugh at teachers because even we are learning in the process. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly cut this part till here and this part till here. Okay, is that clear? So children, see, what we have done is we have kept one part here. This is one part, this is the outer circle and this is the inner circle which we have cut. But now what we are going to do is place it very nicely here. We have a fevi stick. We'll just open it. Oh, my lipstick! And see children, we are going to stick it only from the center. Okay, we are just sticking it from the center. We are not sticking the outside part. Be very careful when you are doing this card because I have made 3 mistakes already. Okay, see, I'm sticking it in the centers and these sides are free. Similarly, this, you will not stick this side. You will not stick this side. What you will do is you will stick the edges. Can you see? I've stuck the edges, not the entire thing. Try not to stick this part because we want 2 coins to rotate in it. So we are sticking it only from top and from bottom. Okay, माझी lipstick close झाली. So we are closing it. Okay, just check whether it is done properly. Just press it. Now see, we will be having 2 rings which we will be putting here. Okay, see, this ring and this ring will have a pencil which will be up here and then it will slide on this circle. Now before it slides, let me remove it. We are going to do a little karigiri on this. So I can remove my markers and I have to do a little bit of work on this before I start doing rest of the things. So what I do is I quickly first make the borders. See, now it is stuck. So you have to make the borders very neatly so that this does not look bad. When you cut, it gives a non-finished look. So just to give it a finishing look, you have to do this. Very neatly children. Try to do it neatly. I am very shabby. Children, please, it's a request. It's a humble request. Please don't ask me to make cards. I'm so poor at it. And when I was searching the YouTube for the cards, very similar cards were repeating and I did not want to show you the similar cards. Correct children? When you're doing something, please do it a little differently. So when you do it a little differently, it looks better. So what am I doing is just making borders on the edges so that it gives a little finished look. It will not give a complete finished look, but it can give you a little finished look. Now remember children, we had made a pencil, correct? Remember we had made a Nataraj pencil. Similar to that, we are going to make a pencil, a small little pencil with our paper. So we are going to cut this paper. We will see the size first. We'll cut the paper. See, we have to rotate it. This pencil is going to rotate. So let's make a edge for it first. Yes. Okay, I should be in frame. Oh. Now we are going to color it. Now to color it, I'm going to take directly my markers. So this shall be the zigzag part of the pencil. This shall be the Noki part. Am I in frame? Yes, I am in frame. This will be the Noki part. Now this side shall be black. This side shall be black. Then there shall be a white patch here. And this is the black portion. I'm using direct markers, children, to do it. If you all wish, even you all can do that with direct markers. Direct markers. Direct karti rehti hu main. If you want, you can color the inner portion. I'm coloring the inner portion black, children. Tick, 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 because the ink of my pen is about to die. So even my pen is making so much of noise. So I made the inner portion black, and I shall use my red marker to make this portion red. Now there are many ideas which can be followed. Even this is going to die. Okay, now this is done, and I shall use a skin color to do this part. A skin color to do this part. Now my pencil is ready. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to stick our pencil in between this, and then we are going to atkao it like that. Can you see? First we are going to put this here. Then we are going to put a small tape. See, this is a double tape which I am using. So I'm going to cut a small piece of double tape. See, should it fit here? Yes, it does fit here. So we are going to fit it here. We are going to remove this part. And we are going to place this pencil. I should be in frame here. What am I doing? No. See, I made a mistake again. I have to put this coin first up. Okay, after I put this coin, again I have to take a little bit of double tape. That's what, even teachers do make mistakes. See, I'm making a card for myself. Now I'll see how many children remake it and send it back to me. That will be my gift. I stick this here. Chapat, chapat, chapat. It comes in my hand. Pop, pop, pop. Now our pencil. So our pencil shall go here. Okay. Now our pencil is going to rotate in this part. So this is our pencil. This is our center part. You can write your message here. You can make flowers. You can make anything over here. And we shall paint this part colorful. The lower part will be colorful. Now I'll do one thing. First let me remove. What did I do? Now if I remove my pencil, it's going to go half subs. So see, it's going to rotate here. So I'll paint this part first. And you all can write your message here. My markers have gone bad. But I'm going to use a blue marker. Love you, teacher. What should I write? है ना, वही लिखते हैं, और क्या लिखे है ना. So we shall make few hearts here. You all can do any sort of painting here, children. It's all up to you, not up to me. So I'm making a heart here, love. Then I will write you very beautifully. I'll write you here. उसकी शंडी बनाते हैं, थोड़ा यू को स्टाइल देते हैं. Love you, teacher. Teacher. Love you, teacher. Okay, you mean a world to me. You can do anything. You can make this part very colorful according to your wish. I'm just giving an example, okay? Don't make a similar card and give it back. Try to make it a little differently by yourself. Use your bhaija to do so much of coloring. I'm just coloring this part colorful. Okay, so this is orange. I wash my brush. I take the darker orange. I wash my brush. I take green. So I'll take care that I don't enter the other parts. Okay, add to the screen. Then I wash my brush. I take yellow, tutti follow. Okay, I take yellow here, and after I take my yellow, I take my pink, goes down like that. Oof, very carefully. What to do? Paint पकड़ू के brush पकड़ू के pencil पकड़ू समझ में नहीं आती मेरे को. Okay, again I wash my brush. I take blues. I haven't taken blues, so I take my blues. Again I wash my brush. I take blue के साथ green अच्छा लगेगा, तो I take green again. Okay. Again I wash my brush. I take a buff color. Ding chicka ding chicka ding chicka ding ding chicka ding chicka ding. It's a quick little card which I did. इसकी पूंछ उठाना, इसको थोड़ा ऐसा खसकाना. And the last color should be red. Okay, when you're doing this, be careful that you don't enter this inside part, nor do you enter. Now I have used a whiteboard marker to write this, otherwise I would have colored this part also. It did not come into my head. Now we can do one thing. We can make more small hearts if you wish. No, it's all wet here. I'll not do that right now. But you can do anything, whatever you wish here. You can make many hearts here. You can make a cute drawing or whatever you wish to. Okay. You can make a globe, and you can write you mean you are you are a world to me. ऐसा कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. I'll just dust it because the screen has come here. Okay. It's got dusted. I have shown you how it slides, children. Now it's wet and I'll not be able to show you, but I'll be showing you this side. Oh, it's all wet now till it dries, but it's going to rotate round. See, round and round, slowly. If I do much now, I might tear my paper, so I'm not doing it. But this pencil is going to rotate and you can write your wordings here. So I have taken my circle, I've cut my circle again, and I'm making a cutie pie here. She's my Tejaswi. I'm making her because I did not like the way I did that thing. Actually, I was a bit confused. What should I do? It should come in your mind what you're supposed to do, because even we make mistakes and then we also tear the paper. We don't like it. It was not that bad, but then it was not very good also. So I'm making this girl. So this will be her gala and a little bit of shoulder parts, and this shall be her hand coming this side, taking a turn. Okay, now okay, she'll be holding it like that, and this will be the second hand coming from here. So she is just here. This will be her choti. This is my Tejaswi's choti, usually like that. I usually make it like that. Now she is on a big heart. So this heart has come here, then it goes back here, and it comes here. Okay, it has to be a bit like that. So she is leaning on a big heart. A little heart comes here, and no, this should be the position of the heart. I'm quickly going to color this part, and I'm going to write love you teacher with okay, I can write it like that. I'll just show it to you, children. Just give me. Okay, children, I take a marker. What I have done is I have done a little bit of correction in her hand. Her hand was looking a bit tunda. So I've done a little bit of correction in the hand. Now I'm just using my marker to do it. I don't know, everything is going bad. You know, when you're nervous and you know you're not able to do a certain thing, and if somebody tells you please do it, and you say okay fine, I'm doing it, and then you're not very sure of how you will be doing it, these things usually happen. You are nervous, and then the video is on and you don't want to make any mistakes, correct? But I don't get scared making mistakes, because I know everyone is human and everyone is going to make mistakes in their lives. So I'm not very scared of making mistakes. The only thing I'm scared of is, don't laugh, Ray. I'm not very successful in making cards, because I'm not even a teacher, yaar. I'm a pharmacist. I just do it as a hobby of mine. So please, 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 please forgive me if I have made any mistakes, because I'm not very dead sure about how I do it. So I'll just color this with the marker itself. Y'all can write whatever y'all want to write, and I'll be uploading it right away. I wanted to do a Radha Krishna drawing. Somebody had asked me also, and inside my head I had it in my mind that I'm going to do a Radha Krishna drawing. But then, I don't know, suddenly what happened, I said no, I should not disheart the children by saying no for cards. And there are only 2 days. If I don't make it today, it's of no use. Now you all will not be able to make it. So I said fine. See, I'm using sketch pens directly, children. I'm not doing much of काय सांगते रे? Much of? Tell me, much of what? I only forgot. Forget. Okay, my heart is going to be red. I'm going to remove the chilka of red, and now my red color should not break. That's my only concern. Whenever I remove the wrapper, the colors usually break, because I do ghasit ke daba ke. Everybody is waiting for food, and I've taken a very long time. I wouldn't have taken that long time to do a Radha Krishna drawing instead. But making cards, first I have spoilt 2 cards. Okay, jingy. I'll do my borders first, so that I can rush the inside part. A jing 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 jigat jing 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 jigat jing 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 jing. A jim pachaka chaka chaka jim pachaka. Okay, very nicely you have to do the borders. And now I use my fingers just to smudge this part, so that there is a bit of shading too. Okay, now I use my blacks to do this part. And I'm going to stick this part on that part. Very nicely, so that it looks good. It looks better. Hannah? It should look good, better, best. And you should get no time to rest. So I'm making this part colorful. So I use my watercolors, do a bit of shading. If you don't want shading, please don't do shading. Just do 1 color or 2 colors. That should suffice. So I've used green. I'll wash my brush and use yellow instead. Yellow is the color which gets over very fast, so I'm using yellow. because I have already used blue and the other color. What is this color called? Red. I've already used. Now after this dries, I'll show you what am I going to do. I can do it right now. No, let it dry first. Okay, I can do it right now. See, I open my lipstick. I'm not liking this. Children, if you want to do it sada like that, please go ahead. I'm not liking it. That is why I redid it, because I believe nothing is spoilt unless and until you all don't spoil it. So थोड़ा सा पेंसिल आप थोड़ा सा अपना मुंह ऊपर करेंगे ताकि हम इधर गम लगा सकें. एक झिम्प चिक्का 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 झिम्प चिक्का 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 झिम्प चिक्का. See, and now this is wetty and I got to take it dicky and बहुत प्यार से हम उसको चिपका देंगे ऐसी. Okay. Oh, because it is wet, it is giving me a little bit of problem. What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? So, I've stuck this part here. Now my card goes. Now you can rest. अरे रेस्ट. अरे पूछ अभी ऊपर नहीं चाहिए हमको, नीचे चाहिए. थल्ले. हाँ. Now you can take this part. Girl. See, it will come till here. After this we have made a barrier over here, so you will have to turn it like that again. Come down. Then jhinka chicka jhing. Okay, now go jhinka chicka jhing. Now I keep it here, but you can rotate it up. I will show you. You can rotate it the way you want. This is a little new card. Please, you all make it neatly. This teacher is not very neat in her cards and all. But please, children, do make it neatly and post it to me on canvas and scissors. Make this part also very neatly. If you all want, you can color this part red. See, I can show you. I need to hold this, and inside part you can color red, so that this part does not look bad when you are showing someone. That white color is not looking that good, so we can color it red. I have colored it maroon, so you can color this entire part. Okay, I'll do this and I will upload it with it, because this is wet. It is tearing my paper. It might tear my paper. It has not torn my paper till now, but it might tear my paper if I try to do jabardasti with it. I want to do jabardasti, but I'm very scared of doing this jabardasti. So I will quickly color this inside part red. Now you can color this part also red, not to show anyone that there is a barricade over here. So अभी कुछ आ रहा नहीं है ना टीचर डे के बाद, नहीं तो मैं पहले से ही कार्ड बना के रखेगी. Okay, so this part you can color it inside, because nobody is going to see what is there inside. So you can lift your paper and color it well. Now it's all wet. See this part. Okay, I can put a little bit of color inside. Aisa karke I can put it inside, so that all parts look well colored and there is no jhinga jhanga. See, now those parts which are looking white, you can just lift it, do the color, and then keep this thing inside or just below your bed for some time and let it dry. See this part which looks white, please color it nicely. You all can color black also. Okay, so just press it. I don't think so now any part is looking. Yes, this part, but it is the inner part of this circle. Let's see what I can do for it. Yes, I can do something for it. Don't leave any white spaces, because दुश्मनों का खात्मा नहीं करेंगे तो वो चंगा नहीं दिखता. I think so. I'm through 9. There is a little bit of part which is dirty over here. I can give you one idea. You all can write your message also over here. Okay, now I think so it's done. Yes, it's done and it is a little neater. Now you can slide this anyhow, and I will I will slide it and keep it till here. Okay, so my pencil is here. This card does not open, it will be like that. Okay, so my card is done. I can write a message here if I wish, but it is done, and thank you very much. And please don't ask me to make cards, more cards. Okay, thank you, bye.